Hi friends, today I'm sharing an awesome unboxing of some vintage ephemera for your junk journals. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you items that I received recently in a box of vintage style supplies that I received from Kim Newberg. And she's selling these right now in her shop. There are so many things in here. I haven't opened the packages. I've just opened the box. So this is a medium-sized box, and I'll show you the packs that it includes, just so you can get an idea. So she stuffs them with items, and there's a few different styles. So I believe this is the vintage box, as I mentioned. And I'm just pulling out all the different packages that she's added to it. I think this is my favorite right now. Now each box is going to be unique in its own way, because I know she mentioned she has a lot of items that are very similar, but then also a lot of items that are unique to each kit. So I'm going to just kind of show you some of the items. And I'm also going to see what's in them, because like I said, all I've seen right now is the bags. And that was just to show you an idea of how many items she included in my medium-sized box. So I'll start with this one. This is it looks like a bunch of giant beads in here, which is kind of nice. This bag seems to have more, kind of like maybe even necklaces or bracelets. And then you've got lots of elements here, like keys and charms. So a bunch of pieces here that you can use in many projects, which is great. Just trying to keep myself organized here. This one here, you can see it looks like the bottle caps. There's like a little spoon and some fabric, and then some of these really nice fasteners and stuff. So I think she's just sort of, grabbing things that she has and kind of grouping them into these packs. This one here looks like it has a little lace. Let me open that one, because this seems to be something else in here. So what is this? Let's see. Oh, these are like little, is it tassels? Is that what they're called? That's kind of cute. Then you have your lace. And then this is, oh, I guess this is just like a little bottle, which is kind of cute. And she wrapped it in one of the napkins, which is nice. I'm going to actually leave that out just so that I put it somewhere where it's safe. So there's that little pack there. Okay, you saw the other two napkins I showed. So there's these napkins. And then this baggie. Oh, I like this baggie for sure. It has some stamps. It's got, let me just pull out some of the goodies there so you can kind of get an idea. Oh, I love these. These are really fun. So you've got lots of original vintage pieces. This is an actual milk cap, which is so cool. Oh, and these are some of those as well. And look how cute these are. Buttons on a card. I absolutely love it. And of course, it's got some of the stamps in there. So that's another one of the pieces. Now, she did mention that she can sort of help with customizing colors. So she said if you've got a particular color in mind that you would like included in your items, she may be able to accommodate that. She also mentioned that there is the vintage, there is a boho one, and I'm going to try to remember what the other one is, but like I said, I'll link her shop below so you can check her out and you'll see more details there. This pack seems to have some doilies, some cards, As you can see here, some tags. And then these ones here, I've seen them before. Just want to quickly show you that so you can get an idea. These are like these like wine, what do they call those? Wine labels. So there's some wine labels, and then she also has some of these, like, they look like die cuts, and there's like florals and stuff and doilies. So lots of variety, my friends. If you are a journal maker, a crafter, you know, a paper lover like myself, you're going to love that. Like I said, these are my favorite right now. When I saw this, I was so excited because I've been wanting to get some of these for a while. Now, again, I don't know what will be included in your boxes, but this one was the one in my box, which is super cool. So I'll definitely be able to share some of these with some of you at some point. Maybe I'll do a giveaway and add some of the goodies in there. Okay, let me go with this one. Actually, this came in as well. So she wrapped it, and I love this paper. I'm going to use that in a project. So this is, I believe, is one of her handmade charms. And then this little baggie has some treats, it looks like. Oh, that's really cool. So she sent a little baggie of some candy, which is nice. Okay. Like you can see this one here, full of trims, laces, vintage hankies. I love it, my friends. This is like, her box is, to me, is shocking how much she can stuff in there. So this is what's included in that baggie of trims. There's some hankies, some fabrics, some doilies. You can just see the variety of items she included in that one little pack that I was just showing you with all the different little layers of fabric. I absolutely love it. This pack alone is amazing. So just wait till you see the rest. Look at this. It says journal on it. And like I said, this is part of the what you call the vintage pack. So amazing. And just to mention, the styles she has are vintage, boho, and scrapbooking. And like I said, if you like the color red, she can kind of focus on adding more red pieces to it. If you like the color green, she'll do the same. So she tries to kind of match things to your colors, your style, the things that you like. And oh my gosh, what an amazing deal for what she sends you. There, the prices are amazing. I have to say that as well. So she has small sizes, medium, and large boxes. This is the medium box that I showed you. So that's insane, right? All the stuff that she includes in the medium box. And then this one has lots of paper goodies, which I already love. So you can see, oh my gosh, just so many wonderful things that you can use. I love these. And these are coasters. Oh, look at these black and white postcards. Oh, I love it. Oh, how cute. And then some original vintage. Oh, I love these. Definitely going to be using these. Okay, so there's a few there. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. Original vintage stuff. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this particular, piece that she sent here. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with these. Thank you, Kim. You actually have amazing, amazing boxes full of goodies. It's like such a wonderful surprise in these. And I'm not done. You still see these packages here. So we still have this giant pack of goodies. And I'll actually be showing you. She's going to be sending another box. I'm not sure the size of the box, but she says she will include like 3 separate styles. So there'll be vintage, there'll be boho, and the other one that I'm forgetting, she'll include that in that box as well. So envelopes, stationery, cards, and then, oh my goodness, I love this book. I can't wait to make some journals out of these. And look at the pages. Absolutely love it. Oh, love, love. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, my friends, another beautiful cover. And then she sent this this whole set there, and look at this. Love this so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then almost done, but not quite. Then there's a bunch of pages, which again I love. And I like how she's just packaged everything. It's all protected, but it's so easy to access. So you have some original book pages here. And then what looks to be maybe some printables or digitals as well, which is nice. I love digital papers as well. So there is that one. And then last but not least, this one here, which looks like it's a bunch of shapes in there. And more napkins, some fabric, and then some more book pages, and I love these as well. So there you have it, my friends. You can see the variety of items that Kim's included in her amazing kit. This is the medium-sized box. All the stuff that's in here, check it out. I will link her shop below. And like I said, this was just one of the themes, the vintage theme. She has boho and the one that I keep forgetting. So check her out, and I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, because I am going to have so much fun just going over all these pieces again. Alrighty, thank you for joining me. I will see you very soon. Bye.